Ukku Johnny kicked me off. Ukku locks off Sonny.
Barry, me and you not gonna curse. Somehow me and you got our own little understanding. That's why when you curse, I don't even respond to it most of the time. You understand what I'm saying? Because I know you just got a little heated way about you. Whatever you and Brittany have, y'all grown enough to deal with that yourself. You understand? My only purpose is always just to stick to the same truth. But you know what I mean? Brittany, a grown woman, y'all can handle that.
Just put 9 and then throw the water full it up here. Yeah.
If I got anybody blocked, just let me let me know and I'll unblock them.
Brittany pull them. Pull split justice. Me now make a madman. That the madman I look him can't bring me down. That's why I'm say every day Keiko. Oh me I bring you not see baby want go on frost. Me have to bring you down. Me have to do this and you can't do nothing at all because guess what? Stand up like that. Some nice now.
Born and bred in New York. That shit in our blood, ain't it?
Come get her tablet. Come get her tablet. Me go tidy her. Me go tidy her. Hey, tidy my baby. Love you.
Them is spoiled dogs. Make sure you come back, but we'll come back, cause
when she pull the team then. Yes, baby. Well, I'm having my earpiece. And 3 grandchildren there.
And then afterwards, you can unblock
Chin
them.
pull Gaza.
Barry, you better not report this tyrant. You better not. Oh, I forgot I'm talking to your assistant. Barry's assistant, you better not report the big live.
Keiko.
Ukku.
Keiko.
Yeah.
Keiko, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Hear me, I tell you, Keiko. Hear me, I tell you. You're not telling me who for Ampul. Don't tell me that, Keiko. I'm not involved in a mix up. I don't nobody tell me what to do. Don't tell me no what to do, Keiko. Do not tell me who for pull Keiko. Come in involved in a bloody blood clot, passa. So nobody not call me upon a blood clot, passa. Anybody get blood clot, but just get blood clot back. I'm not involved in nobody blood clot, passa. I'm not involved in nobody passa. No nobody call me. No nobody call my blood clot name.
Okay.
Who want get blood? Just get blood. I don't give a fuck about this internet blood clot war. I don't care about no upon the internet. I don't have blood clot word with upon the internet. I don't go on the blood clot here. When they not give me no blood clot money. I don't care about no. Keiko, don't tell me who for pull. If I block you, I just block you. And that's just it.
Alright.
Bad girl with all the
I'm tired of this, man. Bumbo.
I am so glad that my back is hurting and that I am on medication.